Hey everyone! If you're like me and have struggled with weak nails and hair, you'll want to hear about the game changer I've found, Keravita Pro. After trying endless products, I finally found something that works. Let me tell you all about it. Keravita Pro is a natural supplement that combines powerful ingredients like curcumin, cat's claw, garlic, and pomegranate. These ingredients don't just support beauty, they're great for overall health too. I was skeptical at first, but I noticed a difference in just a few weeks. My nails were stronger, no more breaking or chipping. And my hair, wow! It's shinier and healthier than ever before. What I love about this product is that it doesn't just treat the symptoms. It tackles the root causes of weak nails and hair, improving your health from the inside out. It's all natural, safe, and made in the USA with FDA-approved facilities. No weird chemicals or toxins, just pure, high-quality ingredients that actually work. Plus, it's so affordable. Just $69 for a 30-day supply, and they offer huge discounts on the 3- and 6-month packages with free shipping. If you've tried everything and nothing has worked, Keravita Pro is the real deal. Don't wait, click the link in the description to grab yours. You'll be so glad you did. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. See you next time.